Hello, I'm Steve Locke with Locke Buildings. Today we're going to learn how to drill holes for a pole building. Before drilling holes, you want to double check your string lines and cross measurements. When drilling the holes, make sure the tip of the drill is at the center of the hole. Start by drilling slow. If the bit is moving too fast, it can bounce around and get you off track. You want to put maximum pressure down, and remember the bit doesn't have to be spinning fast as long as it is digging. Also, make sure the bit is level in all directions. You want to pull the bit out about every 18 inches and carry the dirt away. Rake extra dirt back in the hole and proceed to drill until you are to full depth. Once you've reached full depth, tamp the bottom of the hole thoroughly to make sure that you have a solid base. For 24-inch wide holes, you want to mix a minimum of 2 80 to 90 pound bags of concrete. Larger holes require more. Once this is complete, you're ready to install poles. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please check out our website for more tutorials and any of your building material needs.